May kasamang fire!
Water break, water break.
Magandang umaga! Hapon, gabi, kung nasaan ka man sa buong mundo, we are in the set of Pepito Manaloto with a very famous scammer, Mang Tommy, and the very famous hot dog eater, Patrick! Palakpakan! Meron tayong laro. Ang tawag dito ay Trasketball. Everybody say Trasketball.
Basketball!
And are you ready to rumble?
Yeah!
And I believe your favorite sport is golf?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Have you ever played basketball in your life?
Yes, I played basketball. And as a matter of fact, John was my partner.
Yeah.
And we
But may
beat
partners.
Art. We beat Art.
There's the muse. Okay, the muse will ramp pa now. Come on.
Cheerleader.
Muse Tommy.
Pati kami!
Perez. Cheerleader. Meron tayong halftime break. Ito na, halftime break.
Cheerleader.
5, 6, 7, 8. Go! Pepito! Go, go, Pepito! Go! Mang Tommy! Go, go, Mang Tommy! Go! Patrick! Go, 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 Patrick! Division, Patrick! Yeah, Patrick! So sa blue,
Ang
na?
hindi nabubulok. Yes.
Hindi na blue.
I think so. I think so.
So sa green,
Nabubulok.
nabulok.
I know how to win.
How do you win?
I can do it.
Yes! Ito, bago tayo magsimula, meron tayong last messages for each other. Okay, the trash talk side.
Yes.
Okay. Mang Tommy, what can you say about your opponent, Patrick?
I only wish him the best luck. He will need it.
What's the name of the game?
The shade.
What's the name of the game?
Trash it.
Okay, I have a message for you.
No.
If Tommy can, the trash can.
Wait lang. May message ako
Oh,
kay
may message, may message.
Tommy, I crush you.
Hindi na po talaga may mapalabas ang game part.
Okay, guys, listen. This is serious game, alright? So all you have to do is to get the trash and put it at the
Right bin.
talaga.
Ready, set, go! Go!
Pwede ba?
Pwede ba? Basket din ako!
May kasamang fire!
Tawala na!
Time's up!
Let's count this.
Okay.
So this should be nabubulok.
Okay.
Paper, tissue paper, nabubulok ba? As per our scientists here in the house, our EMT, yes. Paper, yes. Pustiso. Okay, that's 2 points. For Mang Tommy.
Yes.
Okay, fan,
Nabubulok yan.
nabubulok to?
Yan. Karton.
Yung karton.
Yung karton.
Hindi yung fan.
Hindi yung fan.
Did you thought it was fanning?
Water.
Water break, water break.
Okay, this is not counted, so no point. So we have 2 points. This is not nabubulok. Yes, 3 points. Not 4, not 5, not 6, and 7.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 lang, 6.
So who's the winner?
Minus points ka.
No, not yet. There's no
Minus 1.
6 minus
Like minus wrong. So 5 points.
Five.
Okay, let's go to 1 lang to. This is 1 point. This is
Okay.
not nabubulok. And that's 2. 2 points, yes.
Okay.
Nabubulok, karton, 3 points. 4 points. 5.
Tayo, may patay game.
Wrestling! Wrestling!
Stop wrestling.
Wrestling!
Guys, I found out that this game is very difficult for you, both of you.
Yeah.
Alright, so
But it's
you better
sharp.
make bato-bato pick na lang.
Okay, talikuran. Talikuran.
Talikuran.
Bato. You put it up like that.
Ah,
Then you face each other, okay?
Okay.
Bato, pick!
Ay.
Face each other. Face. Keep the Hey, don't be a sore loser.
No, I'll take picture.
Be a swift loser.
This, I'll take picture.
My turn. Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Yay.
One, two. Thank you very much to all the fans. Clap for hands. Thank you.
Oh my God, look what we have here.
Isa lang ang masasabi ko. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Okay, hindi tayo.
Yes.